Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Understanding skinless food, why people eat it, and how it can affect health and digestion. Saturated fat is the type of fat that can raise LDL cholesterol in some people. Too much of it over time can raise the risk of heart disease. When you remove the skin, you cut the fat that melts and drips when you cook. Meals feel less greasy on the plate and in your mouth. You can save quite a few calories over a week or month if you eat poultry often. Skinless food works best when you also use lighter cooking methods, like baking, grilling, poaching, or air frying, instead of deep frying. What you lose when you remove the skin from fruits and vegetables. Plant skins are different. In fruits and vegetables, the peel is often where a lot of fiber and some vitamins sit. Examples: potato skins have fiber, iron, and plant compounds. When you peel, you still get carbs and some nutrients, but less fiber. Apple peels bring fiber and antioxidants. Peeled apples still offer vitamins and natural sugar, but less fiber and plant compounds. Cucumber and carrot skins add color, crunch, and extra fiber, even if it is not a huge amount. When you peel fruits and vegetables, they may be easier to chew and digest. They may cause less bloating or gas for some people. You usually lose some fiber and a slice of the vitamin and antioxidant content. Both peeled and unpeeled foods can fit in a healthy diet. The right mix depends on your digestion, tastes, and health goals. Digestive comfort, allergies, and other reasons skinless may feel better. Not every gut loves rough skins and peels. Some people with irritable bowel problems or a very sensitive stomach feel worse after eating lots of raw peels. For them, skinless choices can reduce bloating and gas, lower cramping after meals, make bathroom trips more comfortable. A small number of people react to certain fruit skins, like apple or peach peel, with rashes or mouth itch. Removing the skin can sometimes lower the chance of a reaction. These issues are very personal. If you react to certain foods or have strong pain, talk with your doctor or a dietitian instead of guessing. Taste, texture, and fullness. Is skinless food always better? Skins do more than add calories and fiber. They also affect taste and how satisfied you feel. Poultry skin gets crisp and golden and holds a lot of flavor. Potato skins add a slight earthy taste and chew. Apple peels bring more tart bite and color. Skinless meats can taste milder and may dry out more easily. Peel-free fruits and veggies are softer but may feel less interesting to eat. Very low-fat, low-fiber meals can also leave you hungry again soon. To feel full with skinless food, try to pair skinless meat with high-fiber sides, like beans, lentils, brown rice, quinoa, or whole grain bread. Add plenty of vegetables, some with skin when you can handle it. Include a bit of healthy fat, like olive oil, avocado, or nuts, for better flavor and fullness. How to add skinless food to your diet in a healthy way. Skinless food does not have to be dry or boring. With a few smart habits, you can enjoy it and still get a balanced plate. Easy ways to cook skinless meats that still taste juicy. Without skin, meat dries faster, so cooking style matters. Simple ideas. Bake in foil or parchment. Wrap skinless chicken or fish with a splash of broth, lemon, and herbs. The steam keeps it moist. Slow cooker or pressure cooker. Cook skinless meats with veggies, broth, and spices. Gentle heat keeps them tender. Marinades. Use simple mixes like olive oil, garlic, lemon juice, and herbs. Even 30 minutes helps. Gentle grilling or pan-searing. Do not blast the heat. Cook just until done, then rest the meat for a few minutes so juices settle. Season with salt, pepper, garlic, onion, paprika, cumin, or dried herbs instead of heavy cream sauces. Smart swaps, simple meal ideas using skinless choices. You do not need a brand new menu. Just swap in skinless options where it makes sense. Sample ideas: burrito bowl with rice, beans, grilled skinless chicken, salsa, and veggies. Pasta with a tomato sauce made from ground skinless turkey instead of beef. Fish tacos made with skinless white fish, cabbage slaw, and a squeeze of lime. Big salad topped with grilled skinless chicken, chickpeas, and colorful veggies. Soup or stew cooked with skinless chicken pieces and lots of carrots, celery, and potatoes. For plant foods: peeled apple slices with peanut butter or almond butter. Mashed potatoes without skin for someone who needs gentle food after illness. Smoothies with peeled fruits for a softer texture and easier digestion. Aim to fill your plate with color, not just beige. Herbs, spices, and fresh toppings make skinless meals feel more fun. That covers the basics of skinless food and why it might be useful. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.